Good guys. By the way, my name is Johnny P. Kinatakaan. My own perception and my own political orientation is I choose politicians. So when we talk a politicians, it is a state of a person, right? So like for instance, in the Philippines, 'di ba? We are a form of government democracy. So, for example, ikaw ay tumatakbo, no, sa election, no, sa halalan. So, all the people, those voters is we are a power, 'di ba? Right? So, magpipili po tayo sa kanila